Welcome to வாங்க இங்கிலீஷ் படிக்கலாம் channel. I am your English teacher Moganapriya speaking. Today in this class we are going to see third unit prose in celebration of being alive by Christian Bernard. He is Christian Bernard, the author of this lesson. There is a great speciality in him. He is a South African. He was the first doctor to perform a heart transplantation surgery to human. This is the operation theater where they did the first heart transplantation. He is the first person who boldly accepted the challenge and he has got through the challenge and he survived few months. This is the picture till now you are having in Cape Town Museum. If you happen to go there, you can see this picture there. This is the story. Through that, what he want to say here is he want to say a lesson to us how we are blessed in our life. Just we are having only 13 points in this lesson. That too, in this session, I am going to say the short version of the lesson. We can go in detail in the next version or next video. A few days ago, one day, the doctor is the author of the lesson, was crossing the street with his wife after a lovely meal together. A car had hit him and knocked him, and his wife also. She was thrown into the other lane and struck by a car coming from the opposite direction. During the next few days, they were in hospital. Both were hospitalized. He experienced not only a great agony, pain, and fear, but also anger. He could not understand why his wife and he had to suffer. Both had some important task, work to do. If his father had been alive, he would have said that suffering is God's will. Suffering will enable one to make himself a good person. But as a doctor, he could not see any nobility in patients suffering. And at the same time, he was also thinking about their child who want them and who want their need. They are all in such a pathetic condition, they could not help to anyone, but they are the person who always help to other people. He witnessed an incident of two young patients in Cape Town Red Cross Children Hospital. It had changed his perspective, that is, idea of life altogether. A nurse left a breakfast trolley unattended. The children who were patients took charge of the trolley. One was blind because of the third degree burn due to the parents' fight, and he totally blind. He could see only images of the person. That much he became blind because of the parents fight. In their parents fight, he lost the eyesight, and other was crippled. The former played the role of the driver and later played the role of a mechanic. The blind boy provided motor power, that is, he was pushing the trolley, and the crippled sat on the lower deck and steered the trolley as if he was driving the trolley by scraping his foot on the floor. Just he was making the trolley to move further. The rest of the patient laughed and gave shouts of encouragement. This is equal the car race of Indianapolis 500. There is a famous car race. See, this is the picture of that car race. There will be so many audience and there will be so many encouragements like that. They also got that much of encouragement, and the patients who were in the hospitals enjoyed by forgetting their pain and suffering. The nurse and the ward sister finally took control over the situation. The mechanic, who was 7 years old, was admitted in the hospital as he had a serious burn on the upper part of the body and had lost both eyes. The driver had harmful tumor and his shoulder and arm were cut off. He was not only too not likely to live long. That is the real fact of the two boys. These two children taught Dr. Bernard a profound lesson that the business of living is in the celebration of being alive, but not just something for pleasure, amusement, and recreation. They made it clear that being alive is more important than the suffering they are experiencing. They made him understand that he had a disordered view of suffering. Till then, suffering is not actually in our life, just in our thought we are having suffering. After seeing the two boys' energy and enthusiasm, he changed his attitude towards his life and lived a very happy life with his family. Thank you.